What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
So I just got home from work, and this is my radio for my car. Finally, I've been waiting to change my radio a while, man. Like, I'm so happy I got this one. So let's open it, see what's in there. Okay, so we finally got it out. So this is the RCD330, I believe. Yeah, that's the RCD330. Yeah, that's it. But tomorrow I definitely got you guys with an install video. I just got home from work, like I said. So let's see what else it came with. It came with an adapter and an antenna for the car, the backup camera. Well, I have a camera in the car and I'm not gonna use it because I noticed, like, if you want to use the backup camera in a Volkswagen, you gotta have a time relay circuit, I believe. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the radio. The new one is on the floor right now, so we're gonna get this out. So let's start. So first, you want to take this. Let me get this off. You gotta take this out, the top vent. You gotta get it out. This is easy. Pull up on this, you get it out too. And then you're gonna have two screws right here. Let me show them. You're gonna have two screws up here. You gotta remove these. So I'm gonna do that right now. Here, hold the camera again. Okay, let's get it out. I believe it's a T20, not a T25. So let's get it out. T20. It's a T20. Get it out. Okay. Then when you get it out, you don't have to put it that close. You don't have to go that close. Okay, once you get it out, I gotta get the screwdriver. Show you guys what else to do. This is the wrong way to do it. Don't use a screwdriver because you could scratch it up. Okay, that's the wrong way to do it, but I don't care about the marks. So once you get it out, you have two harness on the here. One's for the emergency indicators, and you just have one for the passenger airbag. So go ahead and take it out. Out. Then you just want to use the screwdriver, pull this out. Like I said, this is the wrong way to do it. Don't use a screwdriver. And you just get the torque bits from, oh shit, screws. And you just remove these right here. T20 as well. Get it out. So that's it. It's very, very easy. It's nothing hard about this. Okay. Right there. Remove right here. That's it. And the radio have 4 screws. I already removed 2 of them. So it's only 2 more down here. So let's get them out. Almost out. This is like a 10-minute job. This is the easiest thing I have done on this car so far. The easiest, I'm telling you guys. And the new radio is a RCD330, I believe. And make sure you don't drop the screws. Okay. Once you get that out, you just pull the radio up. Okay, just pull the radio out. Remove the harness in the back. Okay. That's good. Okay, remove these right here. Get them out. Okay, that's one. Get this other one out. There you go. Did it. Got it out. Easy. Put this in the back. You get the new radio. And you get 2 harnesses with the radio right here. You get 2 harnesses. This one. And you get another one right here. Okay, so now we're going to put the new radio in. Before we do that, we're gonna test if the radio works. So get the keys. Yeah, the radio is working perfectly fine. Get it. So now we got the radio in and we got the antenna connected. So now we're gonna check if the radio actually worked, if any static in the radio. So let's try it. That joint sound good. That joint so good. So let's get it connected back. So let's put all the screws back in and see how it works. So we're gonna get the screws connected back. This is the easiest thing I have done so far ever on this car. Like I said before, so straightforward, no arrows, no struggles. It's just very easy. Love this radio. Been wanting the radio for how long, man? I swear. Like, I'm tired of the old radio. Always have to use the aux cord. Like, that's not I want to use Bluetooth. I want to charge my phone while I drive. Like, I don't want to have a dead phone, and when I'm charging my phone I can't listen to music. I want to have to be doing that. That's so boring. Hate that. That's so not cool, like, to be honest. But we getting it connected back, put everything back in. Very, very easy, guys. It's nothing hard about doing this. Okay, so now we're gonna get the other piece. So now we gotta put this back on. So let's get the emergency indicator back in.
They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
Turn it around. This in. Okay. And that's it, guys. You just push the clips back in. Right here. Push them back in. And that's it.
Be careful.
This radio is so awesome, man. I like it. But that's it, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. It's very straightforward, very easy. So yeah, I have more mods coming for the car so far. So make sure you guys subscribe, man. Thank you.